Welcome to the Bubba Harry frequency installment on the impact of resonance frequency breathing. Various health organizations indicate that a substantial part of the global population is experiencing elevated levels of stress and anxiety. The United States is recorded as one of the most stressed countries in the world. The suicide rate has reached nearly 15 out of every 100,000, which is over 50,000 per year. Something needs to change. Our video today introduces you to the impact of resonance frequency breathing and the techniques used that will provide incredible benefits of relaxation and stress reduction. We will introduce you to a powerful practice that will help reclaim a person's peace of mind and lower their anxiety. And share the specific breathwork techniques that utilize frequencies to promote relaxation and mental clarity. Breathwork is not just about taking deep breaths. It's about harnessing the power of your breath to influence your body and mind. Focusing on specific frequencies while you breathe allows you to tap into a deeper state of relaxation and mindfulness. It is a simple yet profound practice that anyone can do. It is a science-based method of conscious breathing that delivers subtle changes in awareness, leading to long-term change and personal growth. Persistent stress can cause various health issues, such as high blood pressure, weakened immune response, and mental health disorders. Reducing stress and anxiety is of great importance and should not be underestimated. By the end of the video, you'll have a toolkit of techniques you can use whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious. Consider incorporating rhythmic breathing techniques into your routine to cultivate a sense of tranquility amongst daily stress. Whether at home, work, or on the go, these frequency breathing techniques will empower you to take control of your mental health and maintain your overall happiness. While these methods will help, they are not a replacement for professional assistance or medical or psychological advice. Before starting any new wellness practice, consult a healthcare professional. Please watch this video until the end for an inspirational quote related to today's installment, and learn how you can access more information about different frequency therapies and technologies that we use. Let us now define resonance frequency breathing. It is a holistic practice that combines the power of breathwork with the principles of sound therapy. At its core, resonance frequency breathing involves using specific frequencies, such as Hertz frequencies 432 and 528, while engaging in intentional breathing exercises. Aligning your breath with these frequencies helps tap into the vibrational energy that influences your mental and emotional health. The significance of frequency breathing lies in its ability to effectively impact how we feel. Lower frequencies are often associated with grounding and calming effects, while higher frequencies can stimulate creativity and uplift the spirit. Combining mindful breathing with certain frequencies can easily enhance our emotional resilience and response, which is very important for maintaining our health. Again, the connection between sound and breath is not just anecdotal. It is rooted in the science of how our bodies respond to sound waves. Our breath is intricately linked to our nervous system. By deliberately regulating our breath stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for initiating the body's rest and digest response. This activation reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, promoting calm. The science behind this in how our bodies respond to sound waves, with certain frequencies calming our nervous system. Moreover, the science behind breathwork reveals that intentional breathing can lead to physiological changes in the body. For example, deep, rhythmic breathing can improve oxygen flow, enhance circulation, and even lower blood pressure. These physical benefits contribute to a more relaxed state of mind, making it easier to manage stress and anxiety. In summary, frequency breathing is a powerful practice that combines breathwork with sound therapy to foster resilient emotional and mental health. We will now explore techniques for practicing frequency breathing, which can help you harness the power of your breath and sound to obtain optimal health. These techniques are designed to be simple and effective, allowing you to easily integrate them into your daily routine. They are available to everyone, regardless of their experience with breathwork or sound therapy. Here are some practical methods that utilize sound frequencies. One well-known popular technique involves using singing bowls. These bowls produce rich, resonant sounds that can create a calming atmosphere. To practice with a singing bowl, find a comfortable seated position and place the bowl in front of you. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, gently strike the bowl with a mallet and allow the sound to resonate. As you listen to the vibrations, synchronize your breath with the sound. Inhale deeply as the sound rises, and exhale slowly as it fades. This practice not only enhances relaxation but also helps you connect with the frequency of the sound. Another effective tool is the tuning fork. To use a tuning fork, strike it against a hard surface to activate the sound. Hold the fork near your body, ideally around areas of tension or discomfort. As you listen to the sound, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, allowing the vibrations to fill your body, and exhale any stress or tension. This technique can be particularly beneficial for grounding and centering your energy. In addition to these tools, you can practice frequency breathing using your voice. Chanting or humming at specific frequencies can be a powerful way to connect with your breath. Choose a frequency that resonates with you, such as the note A at 432 Hz, which is often associated with harmony and balance. Begin by taking a deep breath and then hum or chant the note, feeling the vibrations in your chest and throat. This practice calms the mind and encourages a deeper connection to your body. Regardless of the technique you decide works best for you, finding a comfortable space for your practice is key. Create a welcoming and secure environment free from distractions. This could be a quiet room in your home, a peaceful setting outdoors, or anywhere you feel at ease. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience, focusing on your breath and the sound frequencies. Consistently using these methods daily as part of your routine allows you to develop a heightened sense of relaxation and emotional harmony, ultimately improving your overall wellness through rhythmic breathing. In our fast-paced lives, stress can accumulate, leading to feelings of overwhelm and unease. One of the most notable advantages of resonance frequency breathing is the reduction of stress and anxiety levels. Concentrating on your breath and harmonizing it with specific sound frequencies triggers your body's relaxation response. This will help reduce cortisol levels and foster a sense of tranquility. Many people find themselves more centered and less anxious after just a few minutes of practice. Studies indicate combining sound therapy with breathwork can significantly improve mood and emotional regulation. For example, a study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine revealed that participants practicing sound-based breathwork reported lower anxiety levels and enhanced emotional well-being. These findings underscore the potential of frequency breathing as a beneficial practice for anyone seeking to reduce their stress levels. In addition to reducing stress, breathing frequency can improve focus and mental clarity. By synchronizing your breath with specific frequencies, you create a meditative state that allows for deeper concentration. Integrating frequency breathing techniques into your daily routine can lead to significant transformation. Begin by dedicating just a few minutes each day to practice. You might choose a specific time, such as in the morning, to set a positive tone, or in the evening to relax before sleep. Consistency is essential, so find a time that suits you best to stick with it. As you adopt these practices, you will gradually notice improvements in your overall well-being. The advantages of frequency breathing extend beyond stress relief and will enhance emotional resilience, boost focus, and deepen the mind-body connection within you. Take a moment to explore these techniques and see how they can enrich your life. We explored various methods, such as singing bowls, tuning forks, and vocal exercises, all of which aim to help you harness the calming influence of sound while focusing on your breath. Integrating these techniques into your daily regimen reduces stress and anxiety, enhances concentration, and fosters well-being, promoting an emotional equilibrium. Like any skill, the effectiveness of frequency breathing deepens with regular practice. Setting aside a few minutes each day for practice will lead to lasting improvements in your mental and emotional health. As you embark on this journey, practice patience and allow the process to unfold naturally. We invite you to engage with our community if you find this video helpful and inspiring. If you find this video informative and beneficial, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to our channel to be notified the next time we provide additional information on energy, frequency, and vibration. Please consider sharing this video with friends and family interested in learning techniques to control or reduce stress and anxiety levels. Your support allows us to expand our reach. Together, we can spread awareness about the incredible benefits of energy, frequency, and vibration and inspire others to explore these options to maximize their health and well-being. Please refer to the link in the video description for further details on several frequency-based therapeutic options and technology, such as the Spooky2 Rife machine system. Our affiliation with Spooky2, the most advanced and versatile Rife machine system, allows our viewers to find the right frequency therapies through a number of treatment methods and support our channel simultaneously. Please use the link in the description to visit the Spooky2 website. The mission of this channel is to share the following information with as many people as possible. According to the principle of energy, frequency, and vibration, there is untapped potential beyond the law of attraction. By consciously tuning our vibrational state, we can attract positive experiences, improve our health and prosperity, manifest our desired outcomes, and tap into a deeper level of personal power and awareness. This enables us to influence reality through the energy we emit. This installment's inspirational quote: "Align your breath with the resonance of love and life to discover the enduring serenity within your reach." Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing our next video, in which we will continue exploring the world of energy, frequency, and vibration and our untapped potential waiting to be rediscovered. Please see the disclaimer here. You may also find a link in the description. Thank you.